Many reports, including one of our own exclusives, have suggested that Samsung is releasing the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5 earlier than anticipated. It would appear that this also means that going forward, leaks may begin to occur more frequently. To start things off, excellent Galaxy Z Fold 5 renderings have been posted online by the people at SmartPre in order to, well, confirm how a design change is not anticipated this year. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Fold 4 both roughly resemble one another, as can be seen in the pictures. The fact that Samsung is supposed to release the Galaxy Z Fold 6 in 2024 with a refreshed design is nothing new, but at this point, because the company hasn't yet introduced this year's model, it's too early to place much faith in such rumors. The company's attempts to save costs, which are especially crucial right now, may have influenced Samsung's choice to maintain a similar design for the Z Fold 5 as last year's model. A design element that Samsung has put into the majority of its phones this year, including the Galaxy S23 series, is missing from the Z Fold 5, which is interesting. This may imply that Samsung is aware that the Galaxy Z Folds have not sold in large quantities and has decided to offer a new product with the same design while delaying the introduction of substantial modifications. Samsung may maintain a similar design with the Z Fold 5, but there will still be some significant alterations. Rumors claim that the gadget will include a water drop-style hinge that will allow the two pieces to join together without any gaps. When the device is folded, the body will be slightly thinner thanks to this design element, which will lessen the possibility of accidental damage to the plastic folding screen. It is unclear, nevertheless, if the device's longevity or regular usage would be improved by the lower thickness. Even without, or with insufficient flashy additions or features, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 should still be an attractive gadget because to the yearly spec increases it will receive. The CPU would see the most intriguing specification increases. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy processor, which is designed exclusively for Samsung, will power the Z Fold 5. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.